Good afternoon. This is Luke Robinson. I am a meteorologist here at the National Weather Service in Missoula, Montana. We are creating this fire weather briefing due to a few changes in our forecast and also potentially some critical conditions later on this week and into the weekend. For tomorrow, we do have a weak disturbance moving through western Montana and central Idaho, bringing wet conditions back to the region. For southern Idaho County, in Idaho, we do have a worry for flash flooding with possible debris flows over recent burn scars for the past year or two. And for western Montana and possibility northwest Montana, we are expecting strong thunderstorms, possibly severe. Now, these storms will put down brief heavy rain, gusty winds, large hail, and frequent lightning. So to put the previous slide into words, again, we are expecting some heavy rain to fall over recent burn scars in southern Idaho County, which includes the Sheep Fire and the McGuire Fire. And the heavy rain could produce a flash flood threat and possible debris flows. And then also the potential for severe thunderstorms across western Montana, which does include Missoula. And there is also this possibility, but a smaller chance, that this severe weather could make its way up into northwestern Montana around Kalispell and areas in that region. Now, towards the end of the week and going into the weekend, we'll have a quite substantial high pressure system building over the northern Rockies. Now, this system is going to be somewhat close to what we experienced in the first part of July when we had the very hot conditions with temperatures reaching the 100-degree mark. Though the difference with this system is going to be much drier. Our relative humidities will be down into the single digits, and with poor recoveries overnight. Now, this image is depicting the regions where we're expecting to have the lowest relative humidities, and with southwestern Montana seeing humidities in the single digits, as well as portions of western Montana around Missoula, and central Idaho could also see some single digits as well. And overnight recoveries will also be low, with relative humidities likely not getting above 30%. And again, conditions will be very hot and dry. Like I said earlier, this could be similar to what we saw earlier this month, with temperatures reaching 100, if not getting higher. Those days are expected to be Saturday and Sunday. And again, relative humidities dropping into the lower teens and single digits across western Montana around Missoula and southwestern Montana, and also in central Idaho, Idaho County. And overnight recoveries will likely be very poor, with relative humidities ranging between 20 and 30%. And this is expected to be more closer to the weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Thank you for listening to the fire weather briefing. Again, this is a special fire weather briefing due to changes in the forecast and the potential for critical conditions. The next briefing will be tomorrow, Thursday, July the 18th. And again, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call.